Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about an essential part of our body that often doesn't get the attention it deserves: our kidneys. These bean shaped organs play a crucial role in filtering out waste and toxins from our blood, maintaining a healthy balance of electrolytes, and producing urine. So let's explore some natural drinks that can help transform and support the health of our kidneys for a healthier life. Before we dive into the natural drinks, let's quickly understand why kidney health is so important. Our kidneys filter around 200 liters of blood every day, removing waste products and excess fluids to produce urine. If our kidneys aren't functioning well, it can lead to a range of health issues. That's why it's crucial to take steps to support and maintain their health. First and foremost, the simplest and most effective way to keep our kidneys healthy is by staying hydrated. Drinking an adequate amount of water helps flush out toxins and ensures that your kidneys can do their job efficiently. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day and more if you're physically active. Next up, we have cranberry juice. This tasty drink is known for its potential to prevent urinary tract infections by preventing bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. It's essential to choose unsweetened 100% pure cranberry juice to avoid added sugars. Lemon water is another fantastic beverage for kidney health. Lemons are rich in citrate, which can help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH. Start your day with a glass of warm lemon water to kickstart your metabolism and give your kidneys a natural boost. Dandelion tea is known for its diuretic properties, promoting the production of urine and helping flush out toxins from the kidneys. It also contains antioxidants that support overall kidney health. Give this herbal tea a try and enjoy its mild, earthy flavor. Green tea, loaded with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, is not only good for your overall health but also for your kidneys. It may help reduce the risk of kidney damage and lower inflammation. Make it a habit to include a cup or two of green tea into your daily routine. And there you have it, 5 natural drinks to transform your kidneys for a healthier life. Remember, these beverages should complement a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. If you have any kidney-related concerns, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Take care of your kidneys, and until next time, stay healthy.